Good morning. It is Sprucehill Eric here. It is May the 4th. May the 4th be with you with our weekly progress update at our Valley build in Lynn Valley. Guess that kind of makes sense. So the framers have finished framing all of the interior walls now and have started to apply plywood or sheathing to the exterior walls, which you can see are right there. We are expecting to have the floor assembly delivered tomorrow, and you can expect on next week's vlog that there will be a floor above me, and I believe we should be starting to frame upper floor walls next week as well. So really great progress, really happy with how things are going. Great day building. They're working. If you have any questions about building, give me a call.